Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Western Digital Elements Basic Portable Storage Hard Disk. This is a 1 terabyte SSD drive from Western Digital. It comes with 3 years of warranty. Let's quickly take a look at other information. It's mostly manufacturer information. There's some stuff here. It shows us the contents of this particular box. There is a portable hard drive. There is a USB 3.0 cable and quick install guide. This particular SSD drive is compatible with Windows 10, but it requires formatting for Mac OS. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There it is, another plastic box. Take all of these things out one by one. That's more or less it. Okay, this is the cable for the this is the data cable basically for this particular hard disk. This is a user manual for this particular hard disk, which you should read at least once. And finally, we have the WD Element hard disk. As you can see, this is a plug and play hard disk. All you have to do is connect this cable right over here, like so, and connect this USB-A to a laptop or a PC, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's all you find inside the box containing the Western Digital Elements Basic Portable Storage. Thank you for watching.